Okay, as you can see, it's on the menu here, Saturday, September 5th. We have the pot roast with onions, celery, and carrots, sprouted potatoes, and a brown sauce. We showed you the process of how we get it from the raw stage, fresh, in-house, and how we prep it, get it in the oven, and get it cooked for your menu there. Okay, as you can see, we have the pot roast this Saturday coming up. We're gonna go ahead and show you our fresh product that we start off with. We start off with a fresh high round. This is step one. Okay, this is the process that we do for cutting our vegetables that go in the pot roast. We got fresh celery. It was brought in by Harvest Produce this morning. Hand chop. We cut it in half first to make sure that the pieces are not too big. And as you can see, what we have here is also some carrots, onions, and celery in this batch. And he just turns it and we dice it. And that's that process for the beef. Okay, this is our process of seasoning. We have our mixture here. We're gonna go ahead and rub the eye round. Just in case you're wondering who's the one that's working on this, we have John here. Say hello, John here.
Hello, everybody.
All right, that's that process. We'll show you the next step. Okay, so now this is the part where we actually sear the beef on the plateau. Put a little bit of oil down first. We allow that to sear for about two minutes on each side, 2 to 3 minutes. We rotate it, and then we'll show you the next step. Look at that lovely sear. What we're going to do is we're going to cook down the veggies just a little bit with the beef, and then we'll get it in this pan right here, and then we'll pop it in the oven with some broth and some juice, and we'll raise it in the oven for about 5 to 6 hours. Okay, here's the process where we add the stock. We add some fresh garlic. We also add some fresh rosemary. And we also add some fresh thyme. Alright, once we're at this point, we'll go ahead and add the parchment paper. We add some of the foil. Okay, at this point it's prepped. We're going to go ahead and take it to our combi oven. Alright, John's going to go ahead and set it for us to cook. 350 degrees. Got for 6 hours there. Thanks for watching, and get ready for this entree that will be on your menu this Saturday.